Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. APC governorship primary, Oyetola extends olive branch to Adeoti, Lasun Yusuf. Osun State Governor Gboyega Oyetola has called on the two aspirants that contested the governorship ticket of the All Progressive Congress with him to join him and move the state forward. Oyetola, who polled 222,169, had defeated ex-secretary to the state government, Adeoti, who was supported by the Interior Minister Adeoti and ex-deputy speaker Lasun Yusuf at the Saturday's primary. Adeoti got 12,921 votes, while Mr. Lasun Yusuf got 460 to place third. In his acceptance speech, Oyetola said the victory was made possible by the members of the APC that gave him another opportunity to face the people of Osun and seek re-election. He then urged them to close ranks and each bitterness in whatever form, calling on aggrieved members to have a rethink and join hands with him to further strengthen the party and deliver outstanding results at the governorship poll. He said today's victory is made possible by the members of our great party who gave us another opportunity to face the people of Osun to seek re-election. The outcome of this primary election is victory for our party and members who have spoken loudly through their votes. It is victory for our people who trooped out in large number during our strategic tour of the state to inform them of our intention to seek a second term. It is a restatement of their confidence in our development agenda, which Hope delivered in 2018 and performance seed in 2022. It is evidence of their belief in sustainable development, which we brought into governance and preached every inch of the way. I thank you all our party members for your constant support and especially for speaking eloquently today with your massive vote in favor of our administration restoration and consolidation agenda. With this primary election now concluded, I invite us all to rededicate ourselves and the party to delivering an overwhelming victory at the gubernatorial polls holding on Saturday, 16 July 2022. For me, we are all winners. I therefore extend my hand of fellowship to the other two aspirants.